Okay, so I want to show everybody if you have your ribs at an angle like most people, right? So most people's ribs look like a teepee, meaning they are like this, okay? Most people do not have a rib cage like that, okay? It's more like this. So hers is a typical rib cage. So you want to take the blade of the Reflux Shield and put it all the way up into the center here, right? So the side of it is right in the center at the xiphoid process, and it flared out a little bit to the left of the xiphoid process. And when you are pushing in, you want to be patient so you can get it deep enough, okay? So breathing in and out. With each exhalation, relax that belly more. And you're going to have both hands right here on top of the handle, right? You want the logo facing you. And as you do that, you can also instead just put one hand on the handle and take the other hand and put it right here on top of the skin applicator and push down so you get it in there a little bit more, especially if you have lotion on and it's slippery. But notice how this is at an angle along the rib, right? It's not straight like that. It's at an angle, right, along the rib. So when you go from park position here to neutral to drive, you're maintaining that consistent pressure, okay? And again, it may take a minute or two to build that pressure up on your stomach and to relax your stomach. Some people have really tight abdominals or tight stomach. Once you go to neutral, then you go to drive, first gear, and then it should, first or second gear, it should start slipping down the stomach towards the belly button. But if you notice, what I did here was her blade is at an angle here. So when I do this, I twisted it a little bit to straighten it out so you're contacting the stomach. Otherwise, you're going to go down like this, right? And you're not going to cover as much surface area as this. This is about 1.5 inches wide, whereas doing this, you're barely getting a 1/2 inch of surface area. So again, you want to come here, go from park. Again, take a minute or two to get it in deep enough. Once it's deep enough, go from park to neutral to drive. And if you have that angle of the ribs, you're going to just turn the ball handle clockwise, just 1/4 of a turn, and then slide it down towards the belly button. Hope that helps. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.